Decimal addition and subtraction 4. What is the most important thing? The thing you cannot forget to do when you're adding or subtracting decimals. Violet, what is the thing that you cannot forget to do? Line up your decimals. So I'm going to start with problem 1 by lining up my decimals. There's my line. I've got 2 numbers, so 2 decimals. 1, 2, and then put 1 extra decimal for my answer. This is from the concepts. It's your concept week 4. We're on decimal addition and subtraction 4. 1.7, 1.7, it says plus, and we're adding 1.5. I don't have any missing spaces or blank spaces. I don't have to add zeros anywhere. What is 7 plus 5? What would I get? 7 plus 5 is what? Noah? Okay, 12. I'm going to put the 2 and carry over the 1. 1 plus 1. What is 1 plus 1? Bailey? 2. I also carried over an extra 1. So what's 2 plus 1? Very good. 3.2. I have my answer. Okay. Remember, addition or a decimal addition and subtraction is just addition or subtraction. The only thing that makes it really tricky is lining up your decimals. Once you do that, all you have to do is addition or subtraction. Let's look at the next problem. 0.82 minus 0.46. So this time, we're doing subtraction. But what's that very important thing that I cannot forget to do? Bailey? You have to line up your decimals. So let's line them up. I have 2 numbers, 1, 2, plus 1 for my answer. 0.82 minus 0.46. And we're doing subtraction this time, so I need to be thinking subtract. 2 minus 6. What is 2 minus 6? What would I get, Jadine? Okay, so when I borrow from the 8, what's going to happen? Okay. Okay. What's 12 minus 6? Okay, it's a good way to think about it. 6. Okay, now I have 7 minus 4. What is 7 minus 4? Violet? 3. And 0 minus 0. What's 0 minus 0? Bailey? 0. 0.36. Try some word problems with adding and subtracting decimals. Let's skip forward to number 5. Jeremy weighs 87 pounds. Tamara weighs 62.84 pounds. How much more does Jeremy weigh than Tamara? They're asking me how much more. So who can tell me? Am I going to be adding or subtracting here? Jadine, what do you think? Adding or subtracting? Very, very good answer. I'm subtracting because I'm trying to compare their weights. They're not putting them together, right? They're not gonna like squish them together and make one like super person with both of them. No, no, we're not combining them. We're comparing them, so we need to subtract. Okay? So we're gonna compare 87 and 62.84. But wait a second. 87 doesn't have a decimal. So what am I gonna do? If 87 doesn't have a decimal, how am I gonna compare it? We had things like this in the work we did earlier. How do we fix that? Ezekiel, how would I fix that? If 87 doesn't have a decimal, what do I do? Very good. If I don't see a decimal, I just put it at the end. So 87.00. Before I do my work, what is the most important thing that I cannot forget to do? Noah? Line up your decimals. I've got 2 numbers, so I need 2 decimals plus 1 more for my answer. Jadine said we're comparing, so we're subtracting. We have 87.00 minus 62.84. Jadine, what am I going to do? Okay. All right. Now I can do my math. What's 10 minus 4? Okay. What's 9 minus 8? Haley? What would I get, Kaylee? 9 minus 8? Mm-hmm. My one and only Kaylee. What's 9 minus 8? 1. 6 minus 2, Nakai? 4. And 8 minus 6. Ezekiel. 8 minus 6 is? 2. So the difference is 24.16. That matches with answer choice A.